Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. We got a special guest today.
Hi.
We're on vacation, but we figured we'd make a little video.
Yeah.
And yeah, au naturel, no makeup. What are we opening today?
A new brand box.
A brand new box. Yep, it's our June Boxyluxe. So this is $49.99 every 3 months. So let's see what we have inside. Okay, so this is what the inside of the box looks like. And I'm going to hand it to my lovely assistant. And if you would like to give me one item at a time, please. What did we get? So we got a Malin and Goetz Recovery Treatment Oil. What's this for? It's formulated with a blend of 9 antioxidant-rich oils that nourish and hydrate to help the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. I can always use that. I'm getting a direction from the other side of the camera. So we've got this nice blue dropper. Do you think it smells? Oh, it smells very nice. Yeah, so that's item number 1. Next item, please. What is it? So this is from Eco Plus. Goddess Duo Self-Care Pure Essential Oil Blends. That's cool. So we've got the Women's Blend and the Calm and Distress Blend. Oh, I know a sister of mine that could use the Calm and Distress Blend. So there, whoop. There we go. What do you think these smell like? Let's smell. Oh, I don't like the smell of the Women's Blend. Oh, maybe pepperminty? It's not my favorite. And then the Calm and De-Stress. Are you stressed? I'm not stressed. We're on vacation. Maybe a little patchouli oil? All right. Can I have item number 3, please?
Sure.
Oh, thank you. Whoop. Oh, a big box. Oh, it's from Kylie Jenner. Kylie Skin Foaming Face Wash. Fancy. So our luxurious foaming face wash is infused with ultra nourishing kiwi seed oil packed with vitamin C and E to maintain moisture and improve elasticity. Oh, Jason, Kylie.
She's my favorite Jenner.
What should we? Oh, it's a nice pink bottle, eh? What do you think it smells like?
Kiwis.
Oh, man, I just dripped it on myself. You like the smell of that?
Yeah.
It's got a nice light scent. Gonna have clean faces, right? Yeah, we should use this after the video. All right.
Next spot.
Okay, what's our next item? Oh, another big box. So this is a charcoal brush set from BDB, which is Billion Dollar Brushes. Bristles infused with charcoal for an antimicrobial effect. Vegan.
It has brushes inside of it.
You think so?
Yeah.
Let's see if you're right.
I have 2 brushes.
I think it has more than 2. It's got a lot of brushes. Holy moly. How many brushes did we get? Oop.
2 of them.
How many in total?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 brushes. Those are pretty nice, eh? So we got a powder brush. And what else do we get? A concealer brush. And then a highlighter brush, which is good. My highlighter brush is too big, and then I always get like a highlight like that. And then a contour brush. And last but not least, we have an eyeshadow brush. Well, that's pretty nice, eh? It's always nice to get new brushes. Do you think they feel soft?
Yes. Yeah, they do.
Yep, well, that's good. Yeah. All right, so that is item number what, 4? All right, what is our next item, Miss Assistant? Oh, thank you. Ooh, a BB cream. So from Purelisse, Perfect Glow BB Cream SPF 30. Oil-free, moisturizing, natural-looking coverage. Matte meets glowy finish for all skin types. Should we
What's
see
a
what?
BB cream?
It's like a cream, Jason.
Oh yeah.
Yep. It's a multitasking beauty balm that is a foundation, antioxidant moisturizer, and SPF all in one. Should we test it on our skin? It's got a nice pink color. You want to try it on your skin? So this would go on your face. You don't need that kind of stuff because you're... Well, that's quite the color.
I like the color.
It probably blends in.
Really good.
Yeah, you have to rub it in really good. Put your hand up so people can see. So it starts off very pink, but it works itself into the skin nicely, eh? Very good. All right. What is our next item? Oh, what is this? It's a Tarte Pro palette. I wonder if the person sitting on the other side of the camera would like this Amazonian clay palette. My sister's on the other side of the camera. Well, we like the palette that comes with the blush and the highlights, don't we, and the bronzer. So that is what the palette looks like. What colors do you think are in here? I don't know either. Wow. Look how beautiful that is. Look at those colors. So these are all mattes, the squares, and then the circles are shimmer shades. Those are what 3 colors should we swatch?
I'm gonna choose the pink.
The pink, okay. So that's Maud. And then what other ones? Oh wow, look at that nice swatch. What other ones? The purple, so that's Drama. And then what about one of these shimmery shades? What about one of these circle shades? Oh, the gold? So that's Ethereal. And then we swatch them on our hands. Just like you did, good job. And then that is what the color, look at that gold color. Isn't that beautiful? Look at those colors. Bend your hand this way. Good swatches. I like that. That was a good one. Wasn't that a good one? What's our next item? I don't think it could beat that last item. That was the best item. Oh, what's this little tube? So this is from Bodyography, Professional Cosmetics. It's a 2-pack lip pencil. Oh, it's for your lips. So we got 2 lip pencils. A peachy pink one in the shade Pouty, and then like a burgundy cranberry color in Rosewood. Actually, it's more like a brown purple.
Fire's going.
Fire's going. Do you want to try these on your hand?
Sure.
So
Purple?
yeah, so those are for your lips. Well, yeah, you got a little bit of extra, didn't you? So that is, I don't know how many items we've had so far. Do you?
Yep.
How many? 3? I think a little bit more than 3. Okay, so how many items do we have left? No. How many items are in here? Just one.
This one.
Okay, what did we get?
I'm gonna open it.
Oh, you're gonna open it. Okay.
To see if we have inside of it.
What do we have? What did we get? Is it a tube? Oh, what is it? So this is from Tula Skincare. It's a Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. Oh, that's good. So that's for our eyes. So apply around the eye area for instant cooling and glow. Oh, how does it, so that's the applicator. How do you think that works? Oh, we gotta take that off. Ah, so that's what it looks like. And then we just put it under our eye. Oh, that is cool.
Yeah.
Oh, I like the feel of that.
How do you feel?
Come into the camera. Does it feel cool?
Yeah.
Yeah. You put it under your eyes?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's our last item.
Yeah.
So let's see what everything costs. Let's see if we got a good deal. Where'd I put the card? All right, we'll try and find the card. Okay, so the theme of this box was the Oasis. And the first thing we got, so the Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner is $24. The Purlisse BB Cream is $35. Oh my goodness. The Tula Skincare is $28. The Cutest Pro palette is, guess how much this is? $50.
$50?
Yeah.
Wow, that's a lot of money.
I know, that's a lot of money.
This is on my...
The Eco Modern Goddess Duo.
You almost got for my items.
One sec, sweet. Oh, I'll show those in a sec. Where did that go? So the Eco Modern Goddess Duo was the aromatic oils, $40. The brushes, the $1 Billion Brows brush set, $55. The treatment oil is $82. And the lip pencil set, so this one. You want to show this one to the camera? Okay, well this is the lip pencil set and it is $28. Oh, Jason, what is our value?
Last one was 82.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then 28.
Yeah. $342.
$342. That's a,
Got
what did we forget? That's a heck of a deal.
this.
Oh yeah, that, so those were the oils that went missing. Over here, sweetie. Those were the oils.
Yeah.
So 80, what, how much?
342.
All flabbergasted. So that's a heck of a good deal.
This is what it is.
That is a nice thing too.
Yeah.
All
I
right.
didn't open it yet. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Thank you for watching. And if you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, you can like and subscribe here.
Yeah.
And if you want to watch more videos, you can do that here and here. And yeah, if you wouldn't mind doing that, we would very much appreciate it.
Yep.
Have a great day.
Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.